Hi everyone, welcome to Hotel RIU Palace. We're about to take you on a tour of this junior suite with beach access. As you can see, the beach is absolutely beautiful, very blue lagoon and white sand. So if we want to head in now, you'll see there's two seating chairs outside which can be laid back as well to be a bit more relaxing. As you come into the room here, to the left of me is an office table and chairs. Over this side of the room is a sofa, and in the middle is the nice large double bed. The styling in these rooms is very modern. It's a Mediterranean hotel company and everything's very stylish and contemporary. As you come through here, there's a chest of drawers below the TV and an area there for suitcase. As I come on through, there's a minibar, which is really quite special here because it's got a selection of different spirits and also all the soft drinks and everything else you'd expect in there, and tea and coffee making facilities. The wardrobes are here, and we'll just show you outside the front quickly to show you what the island looks like. So as you can see, we're right in the middle of the island here. Very nice kind of natural feel to it. We'll head on back now inside to show you the bathroom. And here we are in the bathroom. This side is a nice large walk-in shower. Behind me here are twin sinks, and over in that corner is the toilet WC. So I hope you enjoyed the tour here of this junior suite with beach access. Again, we're here at Hotel RIU Palace, and thanks for watching. So if you'd like to watch more videos about Hotel RIU Palace, you can click on the links that have just appeared on screen. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. It helps other people find these videos and hopefully helps everyone book a holiday of a lifetime to the Maldives. Thanks again.